Ralphie, get off of the chair.
And just don't lick the couch.
Pretty live.
Evet.
Artık ben bundan
Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Okay, okay.
Đi chơi không?
You let go of me? Can you let go of me, please?
Good boy. You're so.
gözüme giriyor. Ya salak mısın?
Good boy. You're so.
Primrose. Prim. 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 Stop, stop, stop. Prim, Prim. There we go.
Best part about having a really big yard is just letting Luna go run.
Oh my goodness. You're so excited. Oh my gosh.
Come on. Hey, go get up. Come on, come on. Wait, you just moved in yesterday. Give them a chance. Well, I'm not going over there to say hello. Fine. I'll bring them a dead bird later myself. That kid looks like a handful. See that every day.
Ah, it's classic.
It's gonna come up. Let's see if you'll do the other one.
Look at this dog.
He can't figure you out.
I'm scared. Get him, get him, get him. Happy birthday!
Now squat down so he can get down off of you. Yeah. Don't let him take your phone.
No! Don't! Arlo! Arlo! No!
Hi, Queen. Mama, what happened to your beak? Mama, want to clean your beak? Here you go. I am.
It's melted.
Ow!
Look at this. Oh my gosh.
No, watch out!
Rocket! Hi, big buddy.
Puppies! Ah! Puppies! Oh, puppies! Puppies!
Go on.
Right! You can't eat a whole loaf of bread. You don't even have teeth anymore.
Are we still stuck up here? What happened?
Grandma, you better get ready to sprint.
The 3 babies are going up.
You better get ready to sprint.
It's too, Gerald. What happened to this neighborhood?
What are you doing? What is going on with you? This is insane.
When I give him a kiss on the
Birthday? Oh my god, happy birthday!
So the touch lamp is working with the cat's nose. Cause the cat is...
Is the cactus your best friend?
It's too, Gerald. What happened to this neighborhood?
Lost it. Where is it? Look up. Look up. Oh, you missed it. Oh, there you go. Oh, you got. Oh, it's all the.
See that every day.
It's classic.
How'd that wall get all dirty? Huh? What you been doing, Bow Wow? Huh? Come on.
No!
House! Get in the house! Oh, Jesus Christ!
What is that?
So these guys are like all over town. Oh, what?
Snowing big time. You want to be in there?
Quit using that tooth on me. You're cheating.
Snowing big time. You want to be in there?
Lost it. Where is it? Look up. Look up. Oh, you missed it. Oh, there you go. Oh, you got. Oh, it's all the.
Out the cupboard.
Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Did you find a ball? Yes, you did.
Buddy's got the fish and everything. Oh my God.
Good girl, Shooks. Ah, don't do the space.
Oh. Oh, now you remember him as.
Good girl, Shooks. Ah, don't do the space.
Oh, now you remember him as.
Quit using that tooth on me. You're cheating.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is going on with you? This is insane.
When I give him a kiss on this.
Sweeney, no. Sweeney, no. Get over here. Daddy's oh my God! No. Stop it, Nala. That's Daddy's food. That's Daddy's food.
Connected to the light.
Do you want to go? And he hasn't responded,
누가 쳐 웃어 지금? 어떤 멍멍이가 이래놓고 웃어 지금?
Happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
Where did you find a whole sausage? And what makes...
Bang, yang rusak apaan bang jadinya bang?
Are you petting him? You're so cute. You're petting him.
Yo. Sai vai pra lá.
Connected to the light.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. You're so excited. Oh my gosh. Next time you see my uncle, tell him Allahu Akbar. Out of the cupboard.
9-yard line, 5 on first down. DJ Welter and Daniil Hunter made the tackle. And again, the pass is up quickly.
Come on, bro. All over the flip, bro. Come on, bro. You through.
Yo. Sai vai pra lá.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
you looking at?
Hey. Chloe! Jim, goose!
Good boy.
Hi. Do you want a stick? Okay. Okay.
If you want to go and he hasn't responded,
Good morning.
Like them. They just moved in yesterday. Give them a chance. Well, I'm not going over there to say hello. Fine. I'll bring them a dead bird later myself. That kid looks like a handful.
It's gonna come up. Let's see if he'll do the other one.
누가 쳐 웃어 지금? 어떤 멍멍이가 이래놓고 웃어 지금?
Ralphie, get off of the chair. And just don't lick the couch.
Come on, good girl!
What they are.
I'm so sorry. I know, but I'll get you a new one.
What happened?
What happened to me? You can eat that.
Come on. Hey, go get up. Come on, come on.
Or do you love me? Which one is it? Pooh? Or me? Me?
Are you petting him? You're so cute. You're petting him.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Look, Neep. Neep. Nina. Nina. What are you doing?
Out the cupboard.
Gözüme giriyor. Ya salak mısın?
Good morning.
Come here. Come here. Would you sugar come? Yeah. Look it, your beak's all clean.
Who's gonna eat?
Now squat down so he can get down off of you.
Yeah.
Don't let him take your phone.
Run away, baby. The fire must fall on you. You better get away, get away.
Dude, you're gonna get sick.
Oh my.
Dog has a favorite. Do you want to go outside? Do you want a treat? Mom's home. That's okay. My feelings aren't hurt.
What is that?
So these guys are like all over town. Oh, what?